So after talking with my assistant about this knife, Rosie right there, we came to a conclusion that this knife was going back. This Dewalt was going back. Yep. So which one's better, Rosie? Which one's better? Which one? The Milwaukee? Yeah, she just wants her treat. Good girl. So yeah, but I was disappointed with this knife. I know I already made a video about it, but then my assistant came and decided to give me some help. And we talked through it and we decided it should go back. Right, Rosie? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Be careful when you buy these knives. They might be good, but I guess I got a faulty one. I'm not saying Dewalt is bad. I'm just saying maybe I just got a faulty knife. And this is my assistant. Her name is Rosie. Alright then, thanks for watching.